Mm. I got like a instant brain freeze. So let's keep at it. Jack, I will do that, yeah. 10 alligator. Yes, DM me on Instagram for the deets. Ooh, so pretty. Thank you, Caleb. Ooh, I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you. Yeah, before I keep going, let's do a belly check. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm working with right now. I am sucking it in out of habit. So this isn't flat. Both sides. I'm sucking it in. And we'll see where we go from there. Okay. So this is definitely giving me burps than I did the last time I tried this. About a quarter of the way. Let's see if we can finish this before I have to go. Brain freeze. Okay. I'm about right here now. It's definitely making me burp. Alright, yeah, let me move a little bit closer while I burp. Oh gosh. Okay, here comes one. Like I was making my tongue all brown. Ew. Sorry, Jacob tried to smell it, but these burps have like foam coming out.